The powder cooking in the gumbo pots. Derek Newton's The Powder Cooking in the Gumbo Pots provides us with an unflinching examination of how drugs, a lack of community resources, an inadequate educational system, and systematic racism can destroy the human fabric of any inner city in the United States of America. Newton writes about life growing up in Oakland, California, in the early 1980s during the crack epidemic that made its way through his city with grave results. Newton's testimony reverberates from his pages to provide us with the devastation and trauma he experienced in the streets of Oakland. Newton helps us understand the historical context of white fear and how that fear finds its way into the present day, mapping so many African American youth into a pipeline known as the industrial prison complex. Yet, Newton shows us the power of sitting with truth and creating images and representation that uplifts the African American community. The Powder Cooking in the Gumbo Pots embraces the city of Oakland and pays homage to those lives lost amidst turmoil and violence during an era that took the life and freedom of so many of its residents.